morning children, I hope you all are doing well. This is 4th class maths, block 8 multiples. Okay, today I am going to teach you a complete S2 and S3. Okay children, multiples of 5 and 10, multiples of 3 and 6 and 9. Previous class we learned about multiples. What are multiples children? So multiples of a number found by skip counting. Multiples of number found by skip counting. For example, multiples of 3 is what children? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. Okay. Now take out your workbook children. Open your workbook. Page number 44. Write date 21st 9 20 20. S2 multiples of 5 and 10. With the help of this, write the answers children here. First bit, write the first 10 multiples of 10. Okay, write the first 10 multiples of 10. So we will write here 10 multiples of 10 children. We will get multiplied with these numbers. We will get the multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10, 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Now second bit, what are the first 5 common multiples of 5 and 10? Okay, what are the first 5 common multiples of 5 and 10? See, compare children, what are the 10 multiples, 5 multiples of 5 and 10 children here? In the 5 multiples, common multiples, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Don't confuse children here. 10, 20, 30. Here you check children here. What are the, I'll write here multiples of 5 also. 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now see, compare here. Which are the common multiples? Common multiples. Common means in both the tables it will be there. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next third bit, circle the common multiples of 2, 5 and 10. So which are the multiples are there that should be common multiples? Okay, 2, 5 and 10. So 10 will be there in 2 table, 5 and 10. 20 will be there in 2 table, 5 table, 10 table. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are the common multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Now the fourth bit children, pencils come in packs of 10. And erasers come in packs of 5. How many packs of erasers and packs of pencils should you buy so that you have exactly the same number? How does this relate to common multiples? This answer I will show it on board children. Now, fourth bit answer. We can buy 2 packs of erasers, which is 2 into 5. 2 packs of erasers, 2 into 5, that is 10 erasers, and 1 pack of pencils, which is 1 into 10. So answer is equal to 10 pencils. Then we will have 10 of each. So 10 is common multiple of 5 and 10. Okay. Now S3 multiples of 3, 6 and 9. First write here date children, 21, 9, 20, 20. So first bit is write the multiples, circle the common multiples of 3 and 6, square the common multiples of 3, 6 and 9. Okay. First we will write here multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Okay, next multiples of 6. 1 into 6 6, 2 into 6 12, 3 into 6 18, 4 into 6 24, 5 into 6 30, 6 into 6 36. First we will write the common multiples of 3 and 6 children. What are the common multiples of 6 here? We will circle 6, 6 and here 12 is there, 12. Next 18, 18. These are the common multiples of 3 and 6. Next, what are the common multiples of in 3, 3, 6, 9? So first square the common multiples of 3, 6 and 9. See, out of this 3, 6 and 9, which are the common multiple children here? 18. 18 is the common multiple of 3, 6 and 9. Okay. Now second bit, which of these are the common multiple of 6 and 9? So first one number common multiplication fact. 18. 18 is a common multiples of 6 and 9 children. Yes. 3 6 are 18 and 2 9s are 18. Like this number should be common multiple of 6 and 9 children. Okay, we are getting 6 and 9. This 84 is a common multiple of 6 and 9. No, will not get. So 104 will get common multiple of 6 and 9. No. 126. Yes, 126 will get in common multiple of 6 and 9. How it will be? 21 into 6. 21 6 are 126. And 14 9s are 126. Okay. Now third bit. If 9 into box is given dash star is equal to star, then star is a common multiple of 9 and box. Is the statement true or false? How do you know, children? I will say yes. How it will be? So suppose if we take 9 2s are 18. Okay. 9 into 2 is, I am taking example children, 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Then here 18 is a common multiple of 9 and 2. Understand? 9 and 2. Is the statement is true. So you have to write here true. When we multiply two numbers, any two numbers together, the product is always a common multiple of numbers. Okay. Now fourth bit. What is the first common multiple of 2, 3? Here 4 is by mistake came children. This is cut off. This 5, 6 and 10. So first you write all the multiples of 2, 3, 5, 6 and 10. So I wrote here multiples of 2, multiples of 3, multiples of 5, 6, 10. Which is the first common multiple? So in the 2 table, common multiple children, you have to check in all these numbers, which is the common multiple. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. These 30 is the first common multiple of 2, 3, 5 and 6. Here write it children. 30 is the first common multiple. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Complete workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.